It is really an amazing night for Toronto.
Gwangju, South Korea, and it is a pleasure to meet you.
I've been helping Son and William open up a Canadian pavilion here at Gwangju.
Just so much room for collaboration and exchange between Canada and Korea.
Kwei, bonjour, hello. Lovely to see our friends from Korea.
There will be a piece of the 60th anniversary and a piece of Inuit art in many Korean homes.
지금 캐나다에 있는 선생님 지금 영어로 그냥 이야기할까요? 아니면
It's 4:55 a.m.
Wow, you don't sleep.
Oh, all right.
Hang on.
Whoa! Congratulations, Jeong.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Hello from Canada. What's up, baby?
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
What's up? What's up?
What's
up?
This is
You guys are on YouTube.
Oh no!
41 Richmond channel.